Baby Glock here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you, and this just came. The delivery man just brought it to the door. He was crazy about it, so I am very excited because it is for the new school year, and obviously I'm not going to show the name or the address that it goes to, so that's kind of YouTubing 101, but still, I am very excited to be showing you guys this. Wow, that cuts easily. This happened last time I did an unboxing. It's my new backpack for the school year. Oh, sorry. So it is a High Sierra loop, and obviously you can tell it's teal and white. And I am very, very excited because I always do a new backpack for the school year, but I'm going to be keeping this one for a few years, so I am very, very excited. And this is, I think, the first one that I've had shipped to my house. Usually I get them at like Target or something, but so I'm very excited that I came shipped. And I'm glad there's no bubble wrap. No, don't lick it. It's a little big for me right now. It goes down to my butt, but we are going to adjust it, and I hope you guys are excited for the new school year as I am. I know most of you probably aren't, but this is my first year of middle school, so I'm kind of excited and nervous. So I will be doing a review on this sooner or later. Ow, get off me. Sooner or later. So remember to subscribe to our channel. It's free. It's good. So remember to always be prepared and have fun. Goodbye and have a good school year.